Britain turned to India. Jai Hind students, this is class 8th history chapter number 3. Britain turned to India. Faced with the rising demands of the indigo in Europe, the company in India looked for the way to export the area under indigo cultivation. Here is a figure given that a rebel which was happened in Saint Domingue in August 1791 by uh, uh, which was happened by the African slave, and it was against the British rule who were compelling them to grow and cultivate indigo. So just type of rebel was also happen in our India as against the this cultivation of indigo. How was indigo cultivated? So there were uh, two main systems of the indigo cultivation as niche cultivation and riot cultivation. In niche cultivation, the indigo plantation produce indigo in the lands and he directly to be controlled, either brought of the land or in the return of it. Other jamidars and produced indigo by direct employing or by the higher level. This was the difference between niche and riot indigo cultivation. So indigo cultivation giving much more profits to Britishers, and so many British officers were refused their jobs and included in the business of indigo cultivation, as it was giving much more benefit and profit to Britishers. Now the problem with the niche cultivation, that the plantation found it difficult to expect the area under the niche cultivation. Indigo could be cultivated on only few fertile lands, so mostly land is not fit for indigo cultivation, and these were already designed that the populations only a small plot is created over the landscapes could be acquired. Plantation need a large area. This plantation needs a large area to complete blocks to cultivate indigo plantation. Where could it will be search of such land form? So they attempt to lease in the land according to the indigo factories and even evict peasants from that area, but always led to a conflict and tension for the indigo cultivation. It's because that it is the cultivation of indigo giving only profit to large landlords, Britishers, but it was not giving any profit to peasants or farmers. So the conflict and tension was generally happen between peasants and jamidar, or peasants and Britishers for this. So nor laborers easily mobilize. A large plantation required a vast number of hands to operate. So and labors were needed a practically at a time when peasants were usually by their rice cultivation. So peasants were trying for the rice cultivation, but they were compelling to grow indigo cultivation, which is not beneficial, not profitable, not giving a proper wages to them. The Blue Revolution after. In March 1859, thousands of the riots Bengal refused to grow indigo as because it was not giving a proper profit or benefit to jamidars, and the peasants were supporting them as because they were also not getting a proper wages. So Royat refused to pay, returned the and plantation, and attacked indigo factories armed with the swords and spears, bows and arrows. Women turned up to fight with pots, pans, and kitchen implements. Those who were working in the plantations with the social boycott. So socially it become now boycotted. It is known as Blue Rebels.